Hi guys, welcome back. In this short video I will show you how to insert the SIM card and the memory card. To do this you need this little tool, and as you see on the left of the phone we have the hole, which we wanna put this tool here and remove the placing card holder. Two SIM card here, and one place for the memory card is here. This is micro SD card. After you put, this is the SIM card 1 and SIM card 2. After you put the SIM card in the hole, place it, and here we are. We have a SIM card in our phone. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can tap sub, subscribe my channel. See you by next video. Hey.